Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Lim Zepsiu, Joseph Lin here with another edition of Very Practical Hakka. And this entire month, we're teaching you the question or the line, 老板多少钱, which is, hey boss or hey sir, how much is this?
条价几多钱？
条价几多钱 or simply 几多钱就是多少钱 How much? 那今天呢，我们来去买名产好了，好不好 When you travel around to different countries or even here within Taiwan, you want to buy local foods, delicacies, or specialties, right? 有所谓的名产。Let's teach you how to ask and say things associated with this. So, 名产怎么说呢？
名产。
名产，名就是很有名，产就是 product, okay? Famous products or local products, specialties. 名产。通常买名产，可能一部分是为了自己要回去可以再吃或用，但是呢，很多时候都是要
送礼。对，
常常真的到外面游玩都会想到朋友啊，想到这个亲戚啊等等，要买一些名产给他们。Okay, 所以要送礼。A lot of times we buy these specialties because we want to give it as presents. How do you say that? 送礼。送礼。送礼哦，不是送离子哦，是送礼，对不对？
送礼。
OK。那送礼的时候，通常就一定要包装起来。We would ask the clerk to wrap it up for us, right? 要包起来 ，wrap. How do you say wrap?
包。
好，要吃包子的感觉了，一个包在那里。
然后海陆腔就是抱。
要抱 ，OK. Sounds like hugging, but it also means wrap it up or wrap it in a different dialect. 好，那我们来造个句好了。好 ，OK. 帮我包起来 ，Please wrap this up for me. How do you say that?
老奶包起来，
老奶好像麻烦你，对不对？是那种感觉。
就是帮我的意思。
帮我 ，OK， 那是 Please do this for me. 包起来，
就是包起来。
包起来 means wrap it up. Okay, so please wrap it up for me. How do you say that again?
老奶包起来。
老奶包起来。All right, let's review these terms. Local foods and specialties. 名产。
名产。
名产 ，and you want to give it as a gift. 要送礼。送礼 and wrap it up. 包 or 包。这个我就记得很清楚了。And finally, just to ask how much is this, sir, or how much is this, ma'am? It's 老板多少钱？
条价几多钱？
条价几多钱 ？And another practical Hakka here on Icrt.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.